Is your modern diesel truck suddenly lacking all of its acceleration power, burning extra fuel, and warning you about an emissions failure on the dashboard? You might have a completely disconnected wire or a dead valve in your exhaust fluid system. Today we are breaking down diagnostic trouble code P2047, which translates to Reductant Injection Valve Circuit Open Bank 1 Unit 1. This generic powertrain trouble code applies to many modern OBD2-equipped diesel vehicles on American roads today. To meet very strict federal emission standards in the United States, large diesel engines use a selective catalytic reduction system. This system automatically injects a special liquid, commonly called diesel exhaust fluid or DEEF, directly into the hot exhaust pipe. This fluid perfectly lowers the temperature of the exhaust filters and drastically reduces harmful pollutants from entering the atmosphere. The powertrain control module uses an electronic reductant injection valve to spray this fluid at the precise right moment. Bank 1 simply refers to the side of the engine block that houses the number 1 cylinder. When the main engine computer tries to operate this injection valve but detects absolutely zero electrical voltage in the control circuit, indicating an open or broken connection, it instantly sets this code. The symptoms of an open reductant circuit are incredibly frustrating for any driver. Your check engine light will illuminate brightly, and the computer will heavily diminish your engine performance to prevent severe damage to the catalytic converter. You will also experience a serious reduction in your overall fuel efficiency, and you might see excessive dark black smoke pouring from your tailpipe. The absolute most common causes for this code are a totally burned out reductant injection valve, severed or completely shorted wires in the valve control harness, or severely corroded electrical connectors exposed to harsh weather under the vehicle. Occasionally, it can be caused by an empty exhaust fluid tank or a failing engine computer. If you want to troubleshoot this issue in your driveway, you will need a digital volt-ohm meter. Start by getting safely under the vehicle and performing a rigorous visual inspection of the wiring harness that leads directly to the reductant injection valve on the exhaust pipe. Look closely for wires that have been torn away by road debris or melted by the extreme heat of the exhaust system. If the wiring looks completely intact, use your multimeter to verify that the injection valve is receiving proper battery voltage and has a solid ground connection. When should you stop and take your truck to a professional diesel mechanic? Testing complex emission systems requires an advanced bidirectional scan tool. If your basic wiring is perfect, a certified technician must use their computer to physically command the injection valve open and close to see if it responds. Replacing these valves often requires specialized tools and software recalibration, so trusting a professional shop is the best way to get your heavy-duty truck running clean and powerful once again. Thanks for tuning in, and please drive safely.